Dear Pastor, I am 22 years old and I'm having a problem. I am sharing a house with a friend. Both of us are in college. She is half white and I am dark skinned. We used to get along well, but we are not getting along so well now. I went out on an assignment with other students. My roommate knew that I may not get back early. We did well on the assignment, so we came together and said that we would try and get back home. Our supervisor agreed. I did not call my roommate to tell her that I would be home. We generally cook and share, but this time I decided I would buy some jerk chicken and pork and take home. When I got to the apartment, I saw my boyfriend's car. I was very surprised because he told me that he would be at work that evening. I wasn't thinking of anything bad. I went in and I flicked the lights on, knocked and pushed my roommate's door. Would you believe I saw my boyfriend and my roommate laying down on their backs in the nude? My boyfriend didn't even realize that I had come. When I shouted out, my roommate jumped up and my boyfriend woke up and asked her what happened. I stood there speechless. He could not explain to me why he was in our room or her bed. I started to cry and he pulled on his brief, then held me and said, "Let me explain what happened." I called one of my friends and asked him if I could spend the night at his house with his girlfriend. Both of them told me yes. He wanted me to explain what happened because I was crying. I could not explain. My roommate has been begging me to forgive her. She has made up a story telling me that he came by and they were having drinks and one thing led to another and they had sex. She can't explain to me why she entertained him when I was not there, and my boyfriend cannot tell me why he went there, as we are aware that I was not going to be with there. Pastor, I hate this girl so much. I hate her because she is not hard up for sex. She has a boyfriend and many times he sleeps with her. Her boyfriend helps her out financially, so she is begging me not to tell him what she did. I am asking for you for your advice.